this session, I'm going to discuss about some kinds of business letter. But before that, let's have a short recap from what we have tackled last meeting. Last meeting, we tackled about the parts of a letter. A letter contains 5 parts, which are the heading, the salutation, the body of the letter, the complementary clause, and the signature. So now let's go into discuss about about some kinds of business letter. Now, we have here the letter of request. It is used to seek information, seek help or assistance. It should be brief and direct to the point. Impertinent explanation should be avoided. Next is the letter of invitation. Letter of invitation, which aims for the presence of a reader. Letter invitation should be brief, and it should be you should put all you need to mention in your letter, so there's no question hanging in the minds of the reader. Next, the letter of inquiry, which seek information about people, services, products, prices, catalog, and etc. and more. So now we have here the letter of order, where customer write letter of order which contains products they need. Next is the letter of complaint, written for any grievance regarding goods and services. It is used to handle or to solve problems. Next is the letter of adjustment, written in response to the letter of complaint. It is used to handle the dissatisfaction of the customers. Next we have here is give me for a while, letter of transmittal. Companies and item, a letter of transmittal or cover letter. It accompanies an item or document sent to a client and identifies what is being sent, the person receiving it, and the reason the item or document is being delivered to the recipient. Next is the letter of reply to an inquiry. Reply means to answers the letter of inquiry. If you answer the letter of inquiry, you should express your appreciation for the interest shown by the sender, rather. Now, I need you to have a research about this kinds of business letter for an example, because next meeting we're going to have an activity. Tomorrow we will have an activity. So, class, please bring the following materials, like the 20 long bond paper and 20 long letter envelope for our activity tomorrow. So, see you tomorrow, guys. Have a good day. God bless.